Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. According to statistics from the Ministry of Finance of this country, Urals crude oil traded well above $60 per barrel in August. Russia's top Urals crude averaged $74 a barrel last month, above the $60 ceiling set by the EU and G7 countries to limit oil revenues from Moscow. According to data released by the Russian Ministry of Finance on Friday, the price was above the July average of $64.37 per barrel and slightly down from the level reached in August 2022. For comparison, the average price of benchmark Brent crude oil is $86.20 per barrel in August. Russian oil price caps imposed by the EU, G7 and allied countries last December banned Western shipping, insurance and reinsurance companies from handling Russian goods unless they were sold at a fixed price or lower. A similar restriction was introduced in February on Russian exports of oil products. Moscow responded to the restrictions by banning the sale of oil and refined products to buyers who comply with the limits. Data shows that August was the second consecutive month the average Russian Urals price exceeded $60 since the mechanism was implemented. India and China have become the main buyers of Russian crude oil after Moscow redirected exports from the West in response to sanctions. Meanwhile, Bloomberg reports that Russian oil exports on Western-insured tankers continue although Urals oil prices have risen above the $60 per barrel limit. According to the news agency, about 40% of ships carrying crude oil from Russia's Baltic and Black Sea ports are owned or insured by companies based in countries that have agreed to support price caps. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.